Ladies and gentlemen, the next agenda is launching of the Foundation for Advancement of International Medical Education and Research, FAIMER Indonesia. Firstly, we will watch a short video screening entitled Medical and Health Professional Milestone in Indonesia. Please.
We are very pleased to announce the collaborations between Universitas Gadjah Mada and FAIMER Institute Philadelphia. Friendships is among 11 FAIMER regional initiatives around the world, which is established in Indonesia in 2018.
Good leader should be able to address changes appropriately. We are in the learning course on how to facilitate the student-centered learning, and now we should be ready for the 4.0 era. I believe the friendship program may improve fellows' leadership skills to become agent of change for the future.
Through the strengthening of health professional education, we will eventually improve the quality of medical education.
These fellowships offers project management, leadership, educational methods, quality assurance, and research in health professions education.
Friendship is available to all medical and healthcare professions educators, including doctors, nurses, midwives, pharmacists, public health officers, and other health professions. Lecturers, managers, health-related NGO officers, and possibly many more may take part in these internationally recognized fellowships.
I have been at the forefront in promoting the changes of traditional curriculum to the innovative curriculum. Everyone think of changing the world, but no one think of changing themselves. The important one, I would say, change yourself before you change others.
In 2005, Faculty of Medicine, Universitas Gadjah Mada established the Department of Medical Education. This was the first Department of Medical Education in Indonesia. The main purpose of this medical education department is to serve the needs of the faculty development within the Faculty of Medicine, Universitas Gadjah Mada.
With a friendship, we endorse interprofessional educations and practice to foster collaboration and network around the globe and to serve social accountability to the society. Strive for better medical and health professions educations.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor for us to have the CEO of the FAIMER to be here with us and have a speech. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the President and CEO of FAIMER, Professor John J. Norcini, Ph.D. please.
Thank you very much for this opportunity to be here today. That is a wonderful film you've put together, and I hope you would be willing to share it, because I know there would be lots of folks who'd like to see that. I don't probably have a speech today, but I do have 2 or 3 small comments. The first is, before I talk about FAIMER, I would like to congratulate you on your anniversary. One of the important things about an anniversary is looking back over what you've accomplished. And you have accomplished a tremendous amount over the past 73 years. Literally, you've created literally tens of thousands of healthcare providers for this part of the world, which is amazing. You've contributed broadly to the literature and the scholarship, which is incredible. And your leadership, both here in Indonesia and regional, is really spectacular. So in the United States, on a day like today, we would say, happy birthday. And so happy birthday to you. In terms of the Regional Institute, we are absolutely delighted to be partnering with you. As that film illustrated, it didn't just happen yesterday. We've been working at this, and people have been working at this in a very hard way for 5 or 7 years. And so this is really the culmination of that. I know that the first session occurred a week or 2 ago, and I've gotten a number of reports from folks about it. An incredibly high-quality group of students, incredibly skilled, incredibly engaged, and we are just delighted with the first class here. It really reflects, I think, our shared commitment to improving the health of communities and improving the health of patients, as you talked about earlier in the strategic plan. The second point I wanted to make is that collaboration really has a number of benefits. It has a number of benefits for all of us individuals who are involved. It expands our learning, it broadens the perspectives we have the opportunity to be exposed to. And for institutions like ours, it gives us an opportunity to share resources with institutions that also share our values and are able to take those values forward. When I was a very young child, my mother told me that I would be known by my friends, that my reputation depended on who I spent time with. I'm honored at this point to be known as your friend, and FAIMER is honored to be known as your friend. So the last thing I just wanted to mention very briefly is that I think the future of this friendship is incredibly bright. I really do see you leading development in this country and this region. And I wouldn't be surprised if 5 or 10 years from now, you led the development of several regional institutes here. And we're absolutely instrumental in that. And instrumental through that in improving the quality of healthcare and reforming the healthcare system. So in summary, I want to say thank you and welcome to the FAIMER community. And we are delighted to be part of your community as well. So thank you for welcoming us so warmly.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for signing the friendship placard between FAIMER and Universitas Gadjah Mada. Please forward CEO of FAIMER, Professor Norcini, Vice Rector of Education, Learning and Student Affairs of Universitas Gadjah Mada, Professor Jagal Wiseso Marseno. And to witness this signing, please forward the Chair of Friendship, Dr. Mora Claramita, MHPE Ph.D., and the Dean of the Faculty, Professor Ova Emilia. Ladies and gentlemen, for your information, the press conference of the friendship launching will be held after this event. Congratulations.